Finding the right rooftop cargo carrier can be frustrating. One leak and your entire trip could be ruined. A lot of people struggle with waterproofing issues, tricky installations, and durability concerns. If you're gearing up for a road trip or just need extra storage space, you deserve a cargo carrier that won't let you down. That's why I'm breaking down the top 5 rooftop cargo carriers that actually solve these problems. You'll find links to all the products in the description. Let's get started. Kicking things off at number 5, the MIDABAO 20 cubic waterproof carrier packs a solid punch when it comes to storage space. With 20 cubic feet of capacity, you've got more than enough room for suitcases, camping gear, or even moving boxes. The straightforward mounting system, featuring 6 short tie straps and 2 long ones, keeps it secure on the road, and the PVC coating adds an extra layer of protection against rain. Plus, when you're not using it, the flexible design makes it easy to store away. Now here's where it really stands out: stability. Those wide straps help keep your cargo in place, which is a big deal when you're cruising down the highway. And let's be honest, no one wants to worry about their gear shifting around while driving. The material also feels sturdy enough for regular use, and having a storage bag included, that's a nice bonus. But let's talk about the downsides. Some users have noticed fabric tears after just a few uses, especially around the seams. And while some travelers have made it through heavy downpours with everything inside staying dry, others weren't so lucky. Even light rain caused leaks in some cases. Also, the straps might need frequent tightening during long trips to keep things secure. So, is it the perfect cargo carrier? Not quite. But if you're looking for occasional rooftop storage and don't expect to face extreme weather, this could be a practical and budget-friendly choice. Just keep in mind, it's not built for heavy-duty, long-term durability. At number 4, the Mockins 20 CuFt waterproof carrier brings some impressive upgrades that make a real difference. If you've ever worried about road debris or surprise rain showers ruining your trip, this one's got you covered. The abrasion-resistant vinyl material stands up to tough conditions, while the welded seams offer solid protection against water intrusion. And here's a great perk: it's universally compatible. Whether you have a roof rack or not, the included buckle straps, ratchet straps, and door hooks make it work for just about any vehicle. One feature that really stands out: the protective mat. Not only does it help prevent scratches on your car's roof, but it also adds extra grip to keep things secure during long drives. And with 20 cubic feet of storage, you're getting plenty of space without sacrificing durability. Plus, the reinforced construction makes this a more reliable option if you plan on using it frequently. For added security, the built-in combination lock gives you peace of mind when leaving your vehicle parked in public areas. Now, let's talk about some of the drawbacks. Installation can be tricky, especially if you're on the shorter side or have a taller vehicle. Securing everything might take a little extra effort. Also, some users have noticed the straps loosening over time, meaning you'll want to check and adjust them throughout your trip. And while the zipper flaps help keep water out, they can sometimes catch when closing, which can be frustrating. The Velcro strips? They do their job, but after repeated use, they might start to wear down. That said, the top 10-year warranty is a great reassurance, but make sure to hold on to your documentation, just in case. While this is a clear step up from budget options, it would be even better if the installation process was more user-friendly for everyone. Coming in at number 3, the Wild Xplorer XXL cargo carrier brings impressive durability and smart design to the table. Made from triple-layer 600D material, this thing is built to handle tough conditions. And while 19 cubic feet might sound smaller than some other options, the efficient design makes every inch count. If you're packing for a trip, you'll be surprised at how much this can actually hold. Now, let's talk about security and stability. With 6 metal door hooks and 10 reinforced straps featuring premium Duraflex buckles, your cargo stays locked down, even on long drives. Plus, the waterproof zipper system, combined with double strap covers and 8 Velcro restrainers, shows just how much thought went into keeping your gear dry and secure. One thing that's always a hassle with rooftop carriers? Installation. But here's the good news. Once you get the hang of it, setting this up takes about 5 minutes. The included protective mat? That's a nice touch to help prevent scratches on your car's roof. And when you're done, it folds down into a surprisingly compact size for easy storage. Now, let's be real. No product is perfect. So here's what you need to know before buying. The metal door hooks, while sturdy, can scratch your car's paint if you're not careful with placement. Some users have also noted that the Velcro restrainers tend to lose effectiveness over time, especially in hot weather. And if you're planning a big family trip or need maximum storage space, the 19 cubic feet capacity might not be quite enough. The manufacturer claims it's a better alternative to a cargo box, but that really depends on your needs. While it's easier to store and install, hardshell carriers still offer better protection for fragile items and superior aerodynamics at highway speeds. So, what do you think? Would you choose a soft cargo carrier like this, or do you prefer a hardshell option? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Coming in at number 2, the Bagmate Rooftop Cargo Carrier delivers a solid balance of practicality and durability. If you've ever worried about your gear getting soaked in the rain or buried under snow, this carrier's coated tarpaulin material and weatherproof zippers help keep the elements out. And here's something not every manufacturer considers. The safety-focused design ensures the door hooks won't interfere with airbag deployment, which is a crucial detail for peace of mind. Setting this up? Surprisingly simple. Whether you have a roof rack or not, installation feels intuitive and hassle-free. The anti-slip mat helps keep everything in place. And the reinforced buckles give you that extra confidence when you're cruising down the highway. And when it comes to durability, this bag holds up well, especially in those stress points where cheaper options tend to wear out. Now, before you decide, here are a few things to consider. The 19 cubic feet capacity is decent, matching the last option we covered, but if you need extra space, you might want to look at larger alternatives. Also, some users have mentioned that the zippers can be a bit stubborn, especially when the bag is packed to full capacity. And while the door hooks are effective, you might want to add some padding to prevent potential paint scratches. The manufacturer claims this carrier performs well in all conditions, and for the most part, it does. But if you're dealing with heavy snow, it can pile up on top, which could affect aerodynamics and fuel efficiency. And while it's marketed as 100% waterproof, in sustained heavy rain, it's better described as water resistant. Taking the top spot on our list, the RoofPax XXL 28 cubic feet carrier stands out with features that go beyond the competition. If you've ever struggled with storage space on a road trip, this carrier might just be the solution you've been looking for. With a massive 28 cubic feet capacity, it offers significantly more room than any other option on our list, so you can pack everything you need without compromise. One of its most impressive features, the patented door hook system. Unlike standard setups, this design prioritizes safety and stability, ensuring a secure attachment without interfering with airbags, a key detail many brands overlook. And when it comes to weather protection, RoofPax goes all out. The dual zipper design, double seam technology, and water-repellent coating work together to keep your belongings dry and protected, even in harsh conditions. Security is another area where this carrier shines. Instead of basic straps, you get 10 heavy-duty tie-downs and 4 sturdy hooks, plus a built-in combination lock for added peace of mind. And despite its larger size, installation is refreshingly straightforward. You don't need to be an expert to get it set up and ready to go. Now let's talk about durability. RoofPax backs this carrier with an impressive warranty, lifetime coverage for the zippers, and 5 years for the fabric. And based on customer feedback, their support team actually honors these warranties, something that can't be said for all brands. Of course, no product is perfect. The larger capacity means more wind resistance, which could impact fuel economy on longer trips. And if you have a smaller vehicle or only need rooftop storage occasionally, this size might be more than you actually need. Some users also mention that careful packing is essential to maintain an aerodynamic shape and prevent sagging. If this guide helped you find the right rooftop cargo carrier, hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth vehicle accessory reviews.